Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dashcoin. In my earlier videos of Dashcoin, I've been showing you that first it broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, it also broke out another down channel as well. And this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you, and the previous resistance of the wedge was also working as a support of the next down channel. And after the breakout, we had a nice powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, and you can see that it was almost 268% pump. But despite this long spike, Horizon could not break out this very strong long-term resistance of $60. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, and now again it worked as a resistance, and now we are dropped down at this long-term support of $30.50. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that it was working as a support here, and now again it is working as a very, very nice support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here Dashcoin has found another down trendline resistance. You can see that we got rejection here, another rejection here, and this is another rejection. And in order to start or continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this downtrend and resistance. And before that, we're almost at the same level. We also have the resistance of $40 as well. That is also quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at this $40 resistance on the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $40 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. And therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of Dashcoin. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I have also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SNT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this setup I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And if you scroll it down, then here you can watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying sign, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying sign and read the sell target sign. Now let's move to the live chart of Dashcoin. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price of Dashcoin is not able to break out this downtrend and resistance. We got rejection here, almost had another rejection here, and two more rejections here as well. And now it is again dropped down at this support of $30.50. Recently, we tested the support here after the breakout and almost tested this support here as well. And now again, it is almost bounced from this support. This time, this downtrend and resistance and this long-term resistance of $40 will be almost at the same level. And in case of breaking them out, it can imminently move to the next long-term resistance of $50. That was also recently working as a resistance here. And after that, we will have the next long-term resistance of $60. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $50, the next upcoming resistance, has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And this $60 has been previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And again, despite this long spike, the price line could not break out this $60 resistance. And if we move more back, then this $60 has been previously breaking at a very strong support here for several weeks. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking at this support here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Dashcoin. Now, if we take a look at the two breakouts which are happening here, one is from this big and long term falling wedge pattern, another one is from this down channel. Then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, but still a very big move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. That target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.